Alright, so I'm gonna do a Holiday Inn room tour. I did not get to get the room with the big king size bed, so I went to check in early, so I just got this double bed. So this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. And what sold me on coming to the Holiday Inn, they don't have many nice hotels in this area, the Davenport, Florida area. So I love a lit mirror in the bathroom. That sold me. And this is so cute because this could go on and off. See? And the tub is so nice. The shower head is great. Like, I would come here again if I'm ever in this area. Like, I'll come here again. And I got the refrigerator, which is really nice and cold. That thing is cold. They got the Keurig. Okay? Come on, Keurig. Come on. Okay. Microwave. The microwave's kind of old or whatever. It's not a new microwave, but it is what it is. Full-length mirror here. Thermostat. Then the beds. I love a light-up bed. The light behind it is a great feature. The beds are so freaking soft. Like, look. I don't know if you can see. I sat down in this damn bed. You sink into the bed and it's so comfy. Then, you know, you got this little corner table thingy here. I don't know what that's for, but it's there. You got this bench here. I guess you could put your luggage here or underneath or whatever. These hooks, I really like these because I put my purse up here and my face mask. They got the TV. The TV can come out. You know what I'm saying? And you can just aim it to whichever bed. That's really nice. The light feature above it, you can turn it on and off. They have dressers here. That's cute. Remote, TV, channel thingy. This light sensor thingies, I have one of these at home. These are really cool. That's cute. This little picture is cute. 4 pillows on each bed. Lights in the middle. Standard clock. Telephone. A little dresser thingy. This is the bed I'm laying in. Sheets are nice and they feel new. They don't feel lengthy and old. They feel nice and new and crisp and fresh. So that's really good. The pillows are nice and fluffy and soft. This mesh chair is really cute. It's a swirly chair. Who doesn't love a swirly chair? You got your AC. Then you got your window. Let me step back so I can show y'all the window. They got it framed with, I guess, some wood they either found and had it framed. I don't know. It looks really nice. Then the shade is really cute. And you just pull this down to open up the shade. And that is Davenport, Florida. Let's see what it looks like outside. Oh, it's raining. Not surprised. It always rains out here. It rains every fucking day. So, this is the view. Davenport, Florida, y'all. Whew. And then they have this table here. Close this. I don't want to put all up in my business. Okay. Then they have this cute chair. It looks like it's really modern, but then you look to the side and see that is the that's the pattern. I'm glad that's hidden because I don't like how that looks. That looks kind of old. But the front, I mean, for what it's worth, it's cute or whatever. Could lay back, I guess, and read a book. Table is cute. And I have this light here. And this is a complete view of the room. And there's garbage pail there. Did I miss anything? I didn't miss anything. This is it, y'all. I really like it. Really comfortable, really nice. Enjoyable experience. They try to do something with it and I appreciate it. You know, I would have liked to have a queen size bed, but I checked in early, so it is what it is. But that is the Holiday Inn room tour in Davenport, Florida. Bye.